everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Nikita Shetty and you're watching Nikki's Little Things. Okay, this video is a haul video and I will show you all the skirt or skirt collections that I have with me. Disclaimer, this video is all for my lady subscribers. So men's, please, if you don't want to watch this video, you can please skip this video for now. Okay, so generally nange I would want to wear always a midi skirt or a mini skirt. Knee length skirt I preferably don't wear and it doesn't look good also on me. Adake I prefer only mini skirt or midi skirts. And also for plus size women, I would suggest don't go for shorts. It will look more of a different body structure. I would suggest go for skirts. You will look beautiful and elegant. Aita? So let's start with my first skirt. Okay, I have basically all a coin with Kelgade. Okay, so I'll take it later. So basically, if you want to have a skirt collection, then basically you should have three basics or very minimal skirt colors, basic skirt colors andre black, beige and one denim skirt. Idu three idre you are literally sorted. Okay, I'll show you my collections what I have. Okay, the first one is basic, this denim skirt, which is a beautiful denim skirt and a light shade skirt. This skirt is with me since 3 years or 4 years and ishtu tanaka yenu agilla ee skirt ge, and this is from denim jeans and idu regular fit ide and size is 36 and you will not believe idu nanu Big Bazaar inda tandaddu. ಈಗ ಅದು ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಬಜಾರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ and if you still go there you will have good beautiful collection of skirts. Aita, this is one denim skirt. Second one is this basic to basic. You will get now in Myntra 300, 400, 500 rupees ke pura siktade in Myntra, Ajio or wherever. Idu Forever 21 in the tandadu. If you see here, Forever 21. And this particular skirt is with me since 6 years. I thought 6 years and ego Forever 21 brand illa, but I would suggest please have one basic ribbed skirt with you. This is a midi skirt, but if at all I feel like having it as a mini skirt, I wear it as a mini skirt. I thought. So I will show you illi clips barta irtade how it looks on me also, and then I'll show it to you. Aita? So this basic skirt irli nimatra, it will look very good and yeah, this is a ribbed skirt and you should have it. These skirts what I'm showing, I'm a plus size lady, so you will this is all either XL or 36 size, either XL or double XL. Okay, next skirt is from Roadster. Idu same skirt Myntra-dalli, I think it was for around 599 rupees only. Again a denim very light color skirt. Beautiful it is. Adre I'll tell you from where did I get this. Okay, Bengaluru on the Texa Mart anta ide. You get absolutely cheap clothes either for kids, men's and women's. You will get absolutely cheap clothes. You have footwear also. I think they are defective pieces rejected from the main outlets, but I preferably don't take tops or dresses from there because I feel it looks very cheap and it looks untidy for me. But jeans, skirts, you can go there and you can purchase from there. And this, for your information, I got it for 150 rupees only and it is so beautiful. I'll show you how did I wear it and it is amazing. This is one more denim skirt, and now comes to the very luxurious skirt of mine. This is a skirt. This is not a skirt, but this is a skirt. It has an opening here and a shorts inside, which is very comfortable to wear, and this is from the brand Zastra and the size is double XL. Okay, and this fits like a dream. Okay, this fits like a dream. I would suggest Zastradalli skirts are like amazing. You can go for it, and also if you are of my size, around 30, 36, 34 or XXL, you please go for the XXL size in Zastra. So this is one of the most beautiful I think skirt I have in my collection, and it is just amazing. Feels like a butter and so soft to wear. Again, basic color black. Nanatra ade black, beige ade irodu. Next is one more skirt, and this is from the brand Zara. Again, it's a skirt. It has a beautiful opening here and a shorts inside. And this I wear only for a night out, clubbing. Idre matra I wear it because it's very luxurious, and I have paid a lot for this, around 1.5 or 1,500 or 1,700 kottidene. So I would preferably wear it only for a special occasion. I have a dinner date or whatever. So adukagi you can go for this, and it's again the color is very beautiful. You can pair it up with white, you can pair it up with black top or a black shirt. You will look amazing and sexy. Okay, next is again a cream basic ribbed skirt. Idu length full midi ide, but it is coming swalpa neeginta swalpa mele bartide. It's very long for me because I'm short alva. So hagagi this is also an amazing purchase because it's a ribbed material, is ribbed, very comfortable to wear. Idu nanu Amazon inda purchase ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. It is still available in Amazon. You can go for this. I don't know the brand aita. Brand is No Bar, and it is in the size XL. So XL you can purchase because it is ribbed alva, so you can go for XL. So it will look good on you as well. Okay. Next is my favorite skirt. Like literally my love for this skirt is like repeatedly I'm wearing it everywhere I go. This is a skirt from West Side. It is so beautiful, sexy, at the same time very sporty, very good. Cut ide. At the same time there is a shorts inside, and it is so comfortable to wear. Tension illa, hakondu eno tension madbekanta illa. It is too good aita. And this is from the brand Nuon, and size is 34. Okay, idradu dodda kathene ide. In West Side I literally ali 36 size ilve illa. Okay, they end in 34, but God's grace idu nange fit agtide because it is stretchable. Okay, because it is stretchable, it will fit agtade. And this looks amazing. I'll show it to you here how it looks on me, and trust me, this is an investment. Anything from West Side is an amazing investment, and this is too good, and it is a very comfortable skirt or a skirt. Next is again from West Side. Okay, this has a story. This size is 34. Nange idu top wala button fit agalla. Okay, idu particular button ideyalla, idu fit agtane illa, but still I got it because nan both the previous skirt and the skirt, which is a very tone skirt, very chic, very beautiful skirt. I got it in sale, and I got it only for 400 rupees, and which is like a steal deal for me. Idu nange top button fit agtilla because I'm not 34, I'm 36 in size. But Amazon inda idonu nanu button tekonde, and I made sure that I fixed it in a way that it is size perfect agli anta nanu aa particular place ge attach marde aa button annu nanu takondadu, and this remains open, but that's okay. But this skirt is an amazing skirt. It looks very nice. Again, very expensive, again from the brand Nuon, and 34 is the last size that they have. Probably Nuon ali wardrobe anta ಒಂದು brand ಇದೆ West Side idu. They have a XXL. Okay, so that is okay, but Nuon and the collections ಒಳ್ಳೆದಿದೆ, but they don't have size. So West Side, please make sure you have 36 in your size list anymore. next one, again same color like my Zara. Since I'm not wearing Zara every time because I feel it is very adu ಹಾಕೊಂಡ ತಕ್ಷಣ I feel very luxurious and all, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಕಾಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. So this is a skirt which I got from Myntra and Drape and Dazzle XXL, which I got it for 500 rupees, and amazing it looks. Aita. So this is how it is, again a skirt. This is for like casual wear. When I go out for a mall or something like that, I wear it. Aita, very nice it is. Next, last but not the least, is this beautiful skirt that I bought from again Texamart, and I just gave I think 250 rupees ಇದಕ್ಕೆ Texamart ಇಂದ ತಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ, and it looks so beautiful that ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಗೆ ಟೈಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, so it's okay, ಅದು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಟೈಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, but other than that the skirt is just amazing. You can wear it for your trip to north, ಅಂದ್ರೆ anywhere you go to the cold place alva, you can wear the skirt, it's amazing. So these are few basic skirts. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಕರ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಆಜಿಯೋದಿಂದ, just ordered last Sunday, and it is just 250 rupees or 270 rupees. I'll show the skirt here. So it is amazing. You can purchase that skirt. Yakandre I don't know, that is something which is out of my interest, but I just want to try those kind of skirts as well. It was just for around 270, so I thought Ajio sale ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, so if you want to purchase anything for cheaper, then please go ahead. They are all Reliance products, so you can really purchase from there. And skirts ಮಿಂತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಅಜೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್, and July 12th and the 14th Amazon ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು. Zaraದಲ್ಲಿ I think just sale finish ಆಯಿತು. I will showcase all the dresses that I purchased from there, and maybe in the next video. So yeah, that's all for this video, guys. Thank you. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, just to give you an information, ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ Nikki's Little Things ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ I have few series coming up. Then you have haul videos, then you have vlogs, and also some challenge videos, aita. So stay tuned for many more videos like this. I hope you liked it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Subscribe is a must for me. Thank you so much. Namaskara. Bye.